Hi there, it's 3 o'clock on Friday afternoon and I've managed to finish the rear quarter panel. As you can see, there's quite a lot of difference. What I'm going to do around the door lock, God only knows. I could do with taking the handle and the lock out to do it, but we'll see. But I have to say that the improvement, you know, by anybody's standards, is good. It's been a real challenge to get that level. I think they'd have been pleased if I'd have just got rid of some of the lumpiness, but you know, there's no point in coming to me if you want half the job. So anyway, I'm going to get on with the door now. You know, that's probably another day and a half's work. So I'll see you soon, and hope you're enjoying watching this being transformed. Even the wheel arch capping has come up a bit better. Well, we'll carry on and see what we could do with the rest of it. You know, it's just horrid.